में आपने कौन कौन से गेम खेले?
मैंने ना एक ही ऐसे पार्क में मैं खेल रहा था और एक ऐसे आदमी को देखा जो मैंने जान पहचान के नहीं थे और हम डर गए। मेरे फ्रेंड्स शशांक भी और माही भी और आर्मी देवांश भी।
अच्छा, आप उसके पास तो नहीं गए?
नहीं।
ये तो बहुत अच्छा किया आपने। लेकिन चलो, पार्क में तो आपको बहुत सारे लोग थे आपके साथ में, कभी घर में आप अकेले हैं, मम्मा पापा काम से बाहर गए हैं, तब भी तो आपको अपनी सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। यस और नो?
यस।
अच्छा, आप बताओ पापा भी कहाँ है?
नीचे।
तो आज मैं आपको एक गौरव सर ने एक ऐसा अमेजिंग ऐप बनाया है।
मुझे भी उनसे मिलना है।
गौरव सर से मिलना है? तो बेटा उसके लिए तो आपको उनकी ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करनी पड़ेगी।
ठीक है, मैं करूँगा।
तो मैं आज ही आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करा देती हूँ उसमें।
ठीक है।
तो चलो पहले हम ऐप की बात करें भी। तो एक ऐसा अच्छा सा ऐप है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ।
कौन सा?
उसे मैं बोलूंगी सेफ्टी ऐप। इट्स लाइक अ बॉडीगार्ड ऐप। ठीक है, बॉडीगार्ड क्या करता है? हमारी रक्षा करता है। तो ये ऐप भी हमारी, देखो अब मैं आपको सबसे पहले मैं आपका साइन अप कराती हूँ इसमें। ठीक है,
मुझे साइन नहीं पता।
मैं बताती हूँ ना, मैं आपको करके रखूंगी साइन अप। ठीक है, देखो सबसे पहले आप इधर देखो, मैंने पहले आपका नाम लिखा। ठीक है, अब आपका भी ईमेल एड्रेस मम्मा ने नहीं बनाया ना, तो मैं अपना ईमेल एड्रेस यूज कर लूँ। ठीक है,
मैं बताता हूँ।
अभी रुक जाओ। अब एक पासवर्ड हम देंगे इसको। मैंने पासवर्ड दे दिया, अब हम साइन अप कर देंगे। ठीक है, क्या बोला ऐसे? दक्ष का अकाउंट सक्सेसफुली क्रिएट हो चुका है। अब यहाँ पे मम्मा का ईमेल एड्रेस दिखाई दे रहा है। अब यहाँ पे हम एक पासवर्ड हमारा जो है वो हम लॉग इन करेंगे। ये हमने इससे लॉग इन किया। ठीक है, अब ये राइट का जो साइन आ रहा है इस पे क्लिक करो। देखो ये स्क्रीन आपको दिखेगी। ठीक है, अब आप ऑलरेडी लॉग इन हो तो आपको बार बार इसके अंदर साइन अप करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप फटाफट से पापा को एक मैसेज कर रहे हैं। ठीक है ना?
मुझे करना
नहीं, मैं पापा के लिए टाइप करूँ, इट्स एन इमरजेंसी। ठीक है, कम फास्ट। अब देखो पापा कैसे भागते हुए आते हैं। ठीक है, अब आप ये ग्रीन बटन जो है इस पे क्लिक करो, इससे आप साइलेंट भी कर सकते हो। तो देखा, साइलेंट से क्या होगा, जो आपके आसपास जो खतरा होगा वो भी अलर्ट हो सकता है और हो सकता है वो भाग भी जाए। ठीक है,
इमरजेंसी आ गई यार। अबे इमरजेंसी क्यों? तुम लोगों ने मैसेज किया।
आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे मैं यार, मैसेज आया तुम लोगों का, ये सायरन। अरे अब मेरे पास मैसेज आया यार। हाँ,
अरे मैं दक्ष को इस बॉडीगार्ड ऐप के बारे में बता रही थी।
अच्छा,
अगर कभी दक्ष अकेला रहे तो वो इस ऐप की मदद से हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकता है।
ओके ओके ग्रेट। So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test this mobile app on 2 different mobile phones. Fine, and we'll see whether this mobile app can work perfectly on both these mobile phones or not. So this one is an Android and this one is an iOS phone. So as you can see, I'm able to access this app on both the operating systems. Fine, so it is compatible with the Android operating system also and with this iOS also. Now I'm already done with entering all the required information over here in these 4 fields. This is the name field, this is the email address field, this is a phone number, and this is the password with which I'm going to create my profile. Let's upload a photo also. So I'm taking this one for now. Okay, and when I will hit the sign up button, automatically
your account has been successfully created.
So the account has been successfully created. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of this email address. The email address is going to come automatically on this login screen with whatever email ID the user has created as profile. Okay, now here I'm going to enter the password which I entered while creating my profile. Okay, and finally I am going to hit this login screen and see what is going to happen. So this is again a very beautiful GIF animated screen which you are seeing right now. Now we need to tap on this screen and see we are going to get redirected on this page. The user is going to come on this page where he will be able to see the profile pic he has uploaded and all the information which he has entered while creating his profile. Okay, now if suppose you want to call someone, if there is any emergency and if you want to call someone, how can he do that? He just have to write down a small message over here, something like it's an emergency, come fast. And if he want, he can enter the location also here. When he will hit this send button, automatically a kind of notification is going to go on this mobile phone. Let me show it to you how. So whatever changes you're going to see over here, they're going to happen in real time.
Your message has been broadcasted successfully.
Okay, so as you can see, a notification has got sent on this mobile phone, and you will be able to hear the sound also in the background. Fine, so that's how this app works. Even if the person hasn't signed on this app, then also if he is accessing the app, he is going to get the notification. So all the people who are using the app, they are going to get the notification whatever this person has sent, whatever message he has sent. They are going to receive it over here and they are going to get redirected on this beautiful animated screen automatically. So this is how this app works. So this is an emergency app. Okay, and I'm going to test it now on 2 different browsers. So here I'm going to create a profile quickly first, and after that we are going to see whether we'll be able to send any notification on this mobile phone or not, this second device. So for now I'm using this pic. Okay, and let's create a profile with this name Samir. This is the ID with which I'm creating a profile, and 836875849 is the number I've entered. Let's give it a password, Samir123. Let's hit this sign up button and see what's gonna happen.
Samir, your account has been successfully created.
Okay, so the account has got successfully created. Now what we can do, we can write down the password of Samir over here, Samir123, and let's log in into this app. So we have got redirected on this beautiful GIF animated screen, and let's hit this screen and see what's going to happen. So as you can see, the profile pic is getting reflected over here right on the top in the left side of this screen, and all the information which Samir entered while creating his profile, all that is also getting reflected over here. And suppose Samir want any help, what he can do, he can write down something over here. I am in Shastri Nagar, kindly help me. Okay, something like that he can type here in this message box, and let's send this message and see whether we will be able to receive a notification on this browser or not.
Your message has been broadcasted successfully. Samir need your help. Here is the message he has sent. I am in Shastri Nagar. Kindly help me.
So that's how you can switch off the message. Okay, so as you can see, a message was sent to this browser on real time, and in real time only a notification was received on this app which I am accessing on this second browser, which is acting as a second device. Now let's see if I will access this app on one more browser. Will I receive the notification on this one also or not. So currently I have not signed up on this app on through this browser. I have not signed up on this app. Let's see whether we'll be able to receive the message which this user is going to send, which this user is going to broadcast through his panel. Hi, please help me ASAP. Something like this. Let's hit this send button and see what is going to happen, whether we'll be able to receive the message in real time on both these browsers, or you can say both these devices or not. Let's see that.
Your message has been broadcasted successfully.
Okay.
Samir need your help. Here is the message he has sent. Hi, please help me ASAP.
That's how this app
Samir
works.
need your help.
Why?
Here is
Fine.
the message he has sent. Hi, please help me ASAP.
Okay, so that's how this app works. Now, if suppose this user who has broadcasted a message, if he want to make use of that siren kind of sound, to hit this button over here. Now when he will again click on this on that siren, the sound will stop and this image is going to return. So that's how it works. So as you guys know, I have created a profile on this platform with samir@gmail.com, and this is another profile which I have created with this ID anubhav@gmail.com. Okay, so first of all I would like to show you, can the person who has got his profile on this platform, do he need to sign up again, or he can access his profile directly? So what he can do, in order to access his profile directly, that person just have to hit this sign in button. He's going to get redirected on this login screen, and here he need to enter the ID with which he created his profile. So it was samir@gmail.com, right, with which we created a profile of Samir, and here we need to enter the password of Samir. So as you can see, Samir's profile is visible to us over here. So the person who already has got his profile registered on this platform, he don't have to register it again and again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send a message from Samir's panel and see whether a notification we will be able to receive on both these browsers or not. On this browser, I'm already signed in with Anubhav's ID, and I haven't signed up, I haven't logged in on this device yet. So let's see whether he's going to receive the message, the person who is using this device, or both of them will receive the message, whatever message Samir is going to send through his panel. Hi, I need some help. If suppose he sends this message,
Your message has been broadcasted successfully. Here is the message he
okay,
has
so
sent.
both of
I
them
need some
are
help.
going to receive this notification. So that's how this app works. Right, now let's check out the code which I have defined on code.org for making this beautiful app in AppLab using the basic features of AppLab. This is the first screen. User is going to come across the sign up screen. Once he's done with entering all the information and uploading the profile pic using this photo select option, he just have to hit this sign up button. Okay, and automatically this is the code which is going to get executed. Now a table with name users will get created on the data browser connected to this app, in which all these information, name, email, address, the password, the phone number which the user has entered, and the photo he has uploaded are going to get saved. Okay, finally this code will also get executed, and besides everything whatever he has entered over here, it will go null. That's how I have defined the code for this screen which you're seeing right now. Fine, now let's come on this login screen. So automatically the user is going to get redirected on this screen too once he's done with creating his profile on the platform, and here he is going to see the email ID, okay, with which he has created his profile. Now when he will hit this when he'll enter the password and hit this button, automatically he's going to get redirected on this screen 3. But if he will not enter the password correctly, he will not be redirected on this screen 3. Why? Because I have put a check over here. This is a code with which I have put a check on this password field. Now the records are going to get pulled up from this users table, and first of all the password is going to get matched. We are going to match the password first, which the user will enter here, with the password which he has entered while creating his profile, and after that only he is going to get redirected on this screen 3. Now when he will come on this screen 3, there is an image button I have defined over here. When he will hit this image 1 button, the records are going to get fetched up from this user's name table, and everything is going to sit on this screen 4, sorry, not screen 4, on screen 5. So the user will be able to see his profile pic, his name will get reflected right on the top, his email ID is going to get reflected over here, and his phone number is going to get reflected over here. So these are the code which I made use of for doing these things. Finally, when the user, after entering the message over here, he'll hit this image 6. What is going to happen? This code is going to get executed. So a table with name help is going to get created, where the name, email and phone number of the person is going to get saved. Besides the message, whatever he's going to type here is also going to get saved in this what we call it, table help. Fine. And finally, the user on the second mobile who is accessing this app on the second mobile is going to get a notification automatically in real time through the code which I've defined over here. So the records are again going to get pulled up from this help table automatically, and if this label box, this is label 9, if it is not equal to the phone number of the user, so he's going to come back on this screen. Otherwise he's going to get redirected on this beautiful screen 4, where he will get to see the name of the user who has sent the message, the phone number of that person who has sent the message, and the message the sender has sent. So everyone, this is a broadcast message. The message which the sender will be sending will be broadcasted to all the users who are using the app, so that anyone who is there near to that person who wants the help can reach as soon as possible to that person who needs the help. Fine. So that's how I have created this beautiful app. Finally, if suppose the user will hit this image 9 button, the sound will stop and he's going to get redirected on this screen 1. Similarly, if the user will hit this sign in button, see, this is a sign in button which I've defined over here. If he will hit this sign in button, let's see what's going to happen. So he's going to get redirected on this login screen, where he can log in directly. He do not have to again and again create his profile. He can log in directly using the ID with which he has created his profile on this platform. So that's how I have developed this app. Fine. Hope you liked this app a lot. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share the link of this video with your friends, so that they can also join my channel and learn coding free of cost. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.